Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing? This is in response to the last video that I just posted. I wanted to talk about the word AKUA or deity because I felt like I didn't address everything that I wanted to say in that last video. So I want to circle back there and kind of go into more detail. So talking about religion, at the turn of the century, most Hawaiians here in Hawaii were Christians. And that's due to the first missionaries that had come to Hawaii were from America. They were Calvinists. And we see later on in history that some of those descendants were very instrumental in overthrowing our last reigning queen of Hawaii, Mililani, and overthrowing the Hawaiian monarchy. They were part of the greedy bunch. And so that's why with the overthrow, Hawaii is now part of America. And with the issues going on here in Hawaii, there's a real push by some in the Hawaiian movement for sovereignty. Okay, so that struggle that I was talking about in religion or AKUA, deity. Growing up here in Hawaii, my family are Christians, of course. And then I didn't know too much about Hawaiian deity and, really get an understanding of that. But now, within the past several years, I've really been trying to find a balance or a peace between what I believe in my faith, as a Christian, and then still having a belief in the deity or the AKUA of Hawaii, and how do I be both without canceling each other out, or how do I have respect for both? Yeah, and so this is how I kind of bring peace to that issue and peace to that struggle, and hopefully help you in the struggle of maybe what you believe in your faith. So my mom and my auntie Maile, our family kahu or pastor, kahu kaleo, have really helped me to be able to dialogue about the issue and find peace in myself as I was able to talk with them and get some sort of understanding. I find for myself that believing in the Hawaiian AKUA for me is not worship as in how we worship in Christianity or worshiping God, but rather for me it's a place of honor and respect and reverence for the Hawaiian AKUA. So for example, when I go to Hale Ma'u crater, the home of Pele, Tutu Pele, I bring an offering of ohelo berries or something else. It's not necessarily because I worship her, but rather that I respect who she is, her force of nature, what she represents to my people, to Hawaii. In the sense of that, another example is Mauna Kea, Mauna Kea. I see Mauna Kea as a kupuna or as an elder. Why? Because Mauna Kea has been here before I was born, is here now that I'm alive, and will be here long after I'm gone. And a kupuna or an elder is not necessarily just a person as an elder, but those places that we respect and have been here for generations, many generations. Let me know what you think in the comments below. It might help me, it might help other people in us dialoguing together and sharing with each other what we think and what we feel and what we believe in a respectful way. Mahalo for watching, and I'll see you next time. Aloha. Ahui ho.